We're covering the Society of Actuaries research report on mortality by socioeconomic category in the United States. It was authored by Dr. Magali Barbieri of the University of California at Berkeley and worked with our SOA project oversight group, and the research examines socioeconomic differences in historical US population mortality. Renora, why don't you tell us a little bit more about the details of the study?
Sure, Dale, be happy to. Using 11 countywide socioeconomic variables that really represent such things as education, occupation, employment, income, and the housing price and quality, the study stratifies the U.S. population into socioeconomic categories of equal population size in order for us to examine the mortality trends. And really, the big outcome of the study is a set of detailed life tables by socioeconomic quintile and decile, as well as year, which can be used for mortality modeling, especially refining mortality improvement assumptions for specific insured cohorts. The amount of data that's available on our website now is from 1982 through 2018. And in addition to the life tables, we also have the actual county level socioeconomic data available that was used to score each county and assign it to the relevant quintile and decile. I really think Magali has done a very good job with the report. In the report, if you're really interested in the data and methodology details, the report is easily digestible when you read it.
I agree. A lot of good information there for sure. And Patrick, one of the things I really like about this report is we've been able to kind of take some and create some tools, different ways to visualize the data and also enhance the analysis that comes from this data. So, from your perspective with these tools you've helped create, what's the general story that's told by this set of data?
That's right, Dale. We've developed a set of visualization tools, and they are live on the web. And I'll share one of those tools with you now, and that tool will help tell the story. So to find these tools, just Google SOA, Socioeconomic Mortality, and it will take you to a web page that presents the report, a brief summary of the report, a set of Excel data files. You can download the data, and also a set of visualizations written in Tableau. There are about 10 different visualizations. I'm going to share one of those with you today. This is a graph of annualized rates of mortality improvement. There are various parameters that you can play around with. Right now, I'm looking at the entire period, 1982 to 2018. And across the bottom, across the x-axis, we see 5 socioeconomic quintiles, 1 being the lowest quintile, 5 being the highest, the folks that are doing better, higher incomes, and other measures of socioeconomic status. And the general picture here is one where the lower quintile and also deciles, we have a parallel set of exhibits that show deciles. The lower quintiles are not doing as well as the upper quintiles. The upper quintile in particular experienced a higher rate of mortality improvement across this period. We can also isolate segments of the period. So for example, I can look at 2010 to 2018 and zero in on that period. We can look at different age groups. Right now we're looking at 50 to 80. There's different age groups we can add to this graph. And so there's a lot here, and I encourage you to come and take a look at these various exhibits.
Yeah, lots of good information there, Patrick. Lots of helpful ways to study this population data into different segments for sure. Renora, this leads, I'm sure, to more research that the SOA is looking to do for our members, but also for the public. What plans do we have for this type of research going forward?
We have quite a few plans underway, Dale. We have, well, first of all, we're planning to update the study and the data at least annually as new data becomes available. For the practitioner, we're creating a tool that will use this data for actual practitioners to develop their mortality improvement scales to apply to their blocks of businesses. And you know, Patrick talked about the mortality disparities seen between the different quintiles and deciles. And we're really starting to look at the drivers of those differences. We have a project underway with Dr. Barbieri that will look at cause of death mortality by these different socioeconomic decile and quintile category.
Very helpful stuff, Patrick and Renora. Thanks for highlighting this on this short video. And look for more coming from the SOA on looking at population mortality by socioeconomic categories in the future.
Thanks, Dale. Welcome.
Yeah. Thank you, Dale.